I'm not. We've just got one. What do you want? What do you want? Guys, we have a very grumpy 5-year-old here who is demanding bamee more daeng. Let's go. All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It is my annual trip to the UK. So this is my first video back in my hometown of London. Now today, my boy said to me, Dad, I want some authentic Thai noodles. So that's exactly what we've come to London to find. We're on Commercial Street, just around the corner from the famous Spitalfields market to try SLURP Noodles, which look to have some very, very authentic Thai noodle soup. But guys, for now, I am absolutely starving. So let's get in and check out this Thai food. Let's go. Finn, do you like the look of the menu, bud? What are you gonna order? Bamee more daeng. Nice. Moping, huh?
Khao Mun Gai.
My man. All right, so menu is looking fantastic here, guys. It's taken me a little while because I've got to translate it back into English into Thai. But we've got Khao Mun Gai, Hainanese Chicken Rice with ginger sauce, braised pork leg on rice, so khao mo, roast duck on rice, khao na pet. The list just goes on, guys, but we have ordered, like I could go on and on, but we've ordered bamee more daeng because that is what Finley has been craving. He said, I want Thai more daeng, not char siu red pork. So he didn't want any Hong Kong style, he wanted Thai style, so we had to come here specifically, and I'm glad we did because they've got suki, they've got Giow Goong, which we've also ordered, which I'll explain a bit later. We've also got nam tok, boat noodles, blood noodles. I just asked my new friend over there, PL, and he told me Thai chef, all done with ingredients from Thailand, including blood. We've gone ballistic. I'll show you exactly what we've ordered in a minute, but the menu is looking absolutely insane. Any good, bud? Like they're so good. Finley don't want mummy eating any. I need Giow Goong, ใช่ไหมครับ?
I love it. I love it. Oh my god, that's so
Mmm.
nice.
Nice, sweet, salty, loads and loads of fried garlic, bit of that gratiam Giow. I just went to take the last one. Finley looked like he was going to stab me with his fork. Mmm. You want that one, bud?
He's a hungry bear.
Thumbs up or thumbs down, bud? สุดยอดนะ Good, hun?
Oh, so good.
All right, I better get a bit of this before Finley smashes the lot. So we got those bamee egg noodles, and that house-made barbecue red pork, Chinese greens, and that beautiful pork bone soup. Oh, pure cloudy bone goodness. Do you know what this is a dish I would eat at least twice a week in Bangkok, right? It's on every street corner in Bangkok. So used to it over there, but again, over here, you can get it in Hong Kong restaurants. So Finley wanted bamee more daeng, which is this, or char siu with wonton mee, I guess. But it's not the same, it's not char siu pork. It's very much a Thai variation. And this, the soup, absolutely perfect. As I say, cloudy pork bone goodness. We just need to add a little bit. We need to add some chili. We need to add some vinegar. And this is just going to be the absolute perfect soup. This is taking me right back to the streets of Bangkok, my friends. Look, do you see how many noodles I got? Look, this is all he's left me in the bowl, yeah? And now he's making me give them back to him. Come on in. Can't believe you just did that to your dad. All right, guys, real quick, I just want to take a moment of your time to talk about the partner of today's video, Airalo. Trusted by over 10 million travelers worldwide, Airalo is the world's first eSIM marketplace designed to eliminate the hassle of expensive roaming fees. With Airalo, you can easily download and install a digital data pack from over 200 countries and regions, keeping you connected the moment you land. No more waiting in line for a physical SIM card. Let me share a quick story with you guys. Last time I was in Saigon, Vietnam, I had to queue up at the airport when I landed to get a physical SIM card. Now, anyone who's been to that chaotic airport will know that that is a hassle in itself. But to make matters worse, on the flight back to Thailand, I realized when I was fiddling around trying to put my SIM cards back in different phones, I lost my UK SIM card. That meant no access to any of my banking apps, any of my normal apps. Absolute nightmare. But this time on my upcoming trips to Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, all I have to do is download the Airalo app, choose an eSIM plan, install the eSIM, turn it on as soon as I land. That's it. No more juggling physical SIM cards. And that means for me, no more losing physical SIM cards. So make sure you download Airalo app today. Use the code down below to get $3 off of your first eSIM plan. Now back to other me, who's no doubt eating some amazing Thai food in London and giving you an impeccable rundown. Right guys, then the piece de resistance, the Giow boat noodles with blood. Cut out a bit of roasted chili on top. We got the Thai basil there, sen lek, so thin rice noodles, and then fat chunks of stewed pork. We got some spring onion in here, a little bit of cabbage. The only thing we don't have in here, by the looks of things, is the morning glory, but I'm not gonna hold that against them. We got a little luk chin in here as well. And just look how dark and rich that soup is. Ah, rich, salty, semi-sweet, 5-spice, spiced soup broth that I'm so familiar with from Thailand. That is actually legit. All right, I'm gonna put in a little bit of this chili vinegar though, as I would. I'll just dress this as I would in Bangkok. I'm gonna add a little bit of chili flakes as well. I'm not gonna use any of the fish sauce. It's already pretty salty, but this is looking fantastic. As I said, the only thing not in here is the morning glory, but I'm gonna let them off because I know how difficult it can be to get morning glory or Chinese water spinach. That pork looks insane. Absolutely melt in your mouth. Stewed roast pork. Let's get some of those noodles. I've missed noodle soup so much. I mean, look guys, they're 15 quid or thereabouts for a set of noodles here. I'm used to paying around 50p for a bowl of boat noodles, but needs must. And if you want a bowl of legit Thai boat noodles in London, I am telling you now, SLURP is your spot. Yeah, I'm definitely not complaining about the price because people are used to prices for Thai food when they travel to Thailand. I know from experience that here, these ingredients to make something this close to what you'd get in Thailand is so expensive. Plus you've got the rent here. To be honest, I couldn't make a profit buying Thai ingredients in England and making soups or pak kapow or Khao Mun Gai or anything like that. But people will happily pay like £17 for a pizza that you can make for £1. So I think this is actually the bargain these days in the UK. Move it. Right, Finley wants that sauce gone. This is my favourite sauce in the world, guys. Namjim Khao Mun Gai, yellow bean sauce with ginger. We've got the oily rice. We've got the boiled chicken, a little bit of crispy garlic on top. Finley's already nicked the cucumber off. Then we have something I've never seen on a English Thai restaurant menu. I don't think I've seen this outside of Bangkok in general. We've got Giow Goong, fried rice noodles with chicken. Pan-fried rice noodles with chicken and egg. This one's got bean sprouts in, which is uncommon. The pepper is not common, nor is the bok choy, but I'm not actually complaining because I do need a bit of veg today. That's all served with a sriracha sauce, or sot pik, as we would say in Thailand. Really not having the Khao Mun Gai rice, no?
Maybe you could add a bit of soup with it to make it taste real.
It's just very gingery, mate. All right, what did you just say to me?
That you need to be quick, otherwise I'll eat all of it.
Oh, that's not what you said. You said, hurry up before I smash this Khao Mun Gai to bits. All right, well, it's clearly quite a nice Khao Mun Gai, isn't it? Because you've eaten most of it. Yeah?
And me.
And Helen.
I'll put it in your bowl now.
Right, let me have a little bit before you eat it all.
Mix it with some soup.
It's quite difficult to eat one-handed, look after a kid, and look after your wife at the same time, because these guys cannot be trusted with this food. Right, before they do eat all of my chicken rice, I'm going to try a little bit. Right, your chicken rice, buddy, don't worry. Very gingery, the Khao Mun Gai. The sauce, I'm pretty sure it's got lime juice in it, which I'm not used to. Usually it's vinegar. But look, everyone does their sauces differently. This kind of tastes like a little bit of a hybrid between Thai and Singaporean. Won't be disappointed. I don't think it's a massive plate of chicken, to be fair. Rice is all right. Again, like I said, the rice is very, very gingery, which suits me.
Is that in a good way or a bad way?
What do you think? You like it, yeah? Well, it's got Finley's seal of approval. Chicken's done well. I'd like maybe a bit more yellow bean paste in the sauce, but I'm being hypercritical and I live in Thailand and I eat this dish 4 times a week. So I tell you what, it's so nice to just find all of these classics on a London menu, and they've got 3 branches across London. They've got one here, one in Soho and one in Docklands, I think. So I'll stick links, but yeah, just to find these classics that we would be eating on a daily basis in Bangkok, on the streets of London. I mean, the kway teow rua, the boat noodles, the nam tok, that is the best thing I've eaten out since I got back to London. And I've been back a month now and I've eaten quite a lot of food. For me, it's one of my favourite dishes. It's got everything. It's got the sweetness, it's got the saltiness, it's got that little bit of smokiness that you need. It's absolutely fantastic. And the fact they've got a little bit of blood, brownie points for me. Pork's fantastic. I said 10 for me, the noodle soup, everything else, solid. All right, what do you reckon so far?
These are really comforting. I love these type of noodles from Thailand. Like, they're really doughy and thick and stodgy. Like, I always love these type of noodles. Like, yeah, just flat rice noodles, fried with like veg and chicken and eggs. Yeah, I'm just finding it very comforting.
How do you feel about the dish, the dishes overall?
Just making me miss Thailand, really.
I know.
I really liked those dumplings at the beginning. They were amazing. I think that was like the first bit of Thai food I've had since we've been back.
Nice.
And then each dish has just reminded me of all the places we go out to eat in Bangkok. Yeah, look at all those. Oh, I love it. And all the char. Look at all the char bits. Love all those bits.
Beautiful. Finn, what was your favourite, mate? Khao Mun Gai. Nice. Gotta say, guys, absolutely over the moon, especially with the 2 noodle soup dishes. I know I'm banging on about it now, but the kway teow rua, the boat noodles were fantastic. The egg noodles with the red pork, again, top notch. So for me, this is my new spot for soup in the capital, if I ever do have to come back into central London. But for now, guys, we're gonna leave it here. I wanna grab a coffee and show all my Thai viewers and my English viewers, my American viewers, Canadian viewers, Australian viewers, whoever's watching, guys, wherever you're from, grab a coffee and show you around the famous old school Spitalfields market. Let's go. See ya. Bye. What do you reckon? Roaring success? Bud, what do you reckon, bud? Did you like it? It's just a main road. All right. Should we go hit Spitalfields? All right, let's go. All right, guys, now we're in full-blown tourist mode of Spitalfields Market, which is like a mix of sort of clothes, food, coffee, actual sort of nailed-down shops. That's not the right word I'm looking for, but you know what I mean, and market stalls. Vintage stuff, new stuff, decor. They've got loads of stuff here. I mean, it's like a Bangkok flea market, but 70,000 times the price. All right, so we've got loads and loads of food options. Oh, look, pho. Turkish. Oh, Turkish, I love it. Aye. Yeah, it's a decent little market, to be fair. I could do about £400 in about 5 minutes in here. Loads of food, though. Really, really do have a lot of options. Really nice Neapolitan-looking place there. Cafe Caribbean, a little bit of jerk chicken, etc., etc. Looking very, very nice. Hello.
I don't know where to sit.
So what else we can get? Specialty coffee. Climpson and Sons, got my name all over it. So this is one thing since I got back to London from Bangkok. I have been struggling a little bit with the coffee because places like this are a little bit few and far between sort of where I am. They're just not everywhere. Like in Bangkok, they are everywhere. Obviously the prices don't help either, but we are again in central London. £3.50 a coffee. Anyway, the coffee here looks really, really good. I've got one washed Ethiopian and then I've got one Brazilian, both lattes. Oh, look at that, beautiful. And she's very nicely written on which one it is, and very rare in England, just a normal sized cup of coffee. Yeah, hun, yours is the bottom one.
Is it the dark roast?
Medium dark, Brazil.
If you need to share with me, if Helen doesn't want it, I want it.
No, me and you are going to share a jam chocolate.
Come on, I'll get two, we'll share. All right, that's up there with probably one of the better coffees I've had since I got back, for sure. Right, Donovan's Bakehouse. So we've sacked off the bacon. What was the other one called? Doha. We want to go to Donovan's. All right, so this is where we're at. Donovan's Bakehouse. Look at this. They got loads. I'm sure you don't want a carrot cake, mate.
Here's the donut.
Well, that's not a donut, is it? It's a finger. There's a donut. There. 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 Your mum. All right, so you're going to get the jam cream finger, yeah?
Oh, I just want the jam.
You just want a jam donut, yeah?
But I wanted to share one with you, but now you've agreed to share
All right,
that.
try that one. I prefer your one.
How much different? I don't care. Whatever one.
I'll have the Baron then. Yeah, get the Baron, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Guys, we're just sit.
Is
Right.
it?
Right, listen.
Yeah.
Right, this one is ours. This is how much I'm having.
No way.
You get the littlest half. Right, this is how much I'm having.
Cheers.
And Mum, I've got that piece here. Mm.
Good.
That is there.
What did you think of today, huh?
Yeah, nice. I like coming to central London always. And now he's a bit older, it's like he can just explore as well. We don't have to worry too much about him. He can just come up with us and go wherever we want and go to restaurants and go to museums. So I always like coming to London. I just don't like the train journey when it's really busy in rush hour. So if you just go after 10 a.m. in the morning, it's not too bad, yeah.
Mate, look at hot dog. It says they sell hot dogs there.
Oh yeah, rolling dogs. You like hot dogs? Yeah, bud. Yeah, guys, my apologies. I always find it a little bit awkward filming in London because I'm so used to filming abroad. I've only made about 4 or 5 videos here, so my apologies if this has been a little bit awkward. Hopefully you've enjoyed it though. We've definitely enjoyed it. Love this little market. Love getting back out in London. I forget how much I do enjoy sometimes coming out in central London. Obviously enjoyed our meal. And yeah, links to everywhere we went today, including the donut place, the coffee shop, all that good stuff in the description box below. And I guess we will see you in the
That one.